Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our today's mathematics lesson. My name is Teacher Kelvin Fudi Wanyabura. Our topic today is trigonometry 1. My dear students, do not forget to subscribe and also share this video with your friends so that they can also understand the mathematics concept that we are going to cover today together. And therefore, I'm going to give some formulas and then we'll do several examples on trigonometry 1, and I'll send you or give you the questions at the end of the lesson. I'll give you the questions on this topic so that you can do them on your own. The first formula is given that sine theta is equals to cos alpha, given that sine theta is equals to cos alpha, then theta plus alpha is equals to 90 degrees. For instance, sine 40 is equals to cos 50. You can prove using your calculator. You can press sine 40, get the answer. You can also press cos 50, get the answer. It will be the same. Another one is we can say sine 70 degrees is equals to cos 20 degrees. We continue. Sine 45 degrees is equals to cos 45 degrees. What do I mean? This number that is here close to sine plus this number that is here close to cos, when you add them, you should get 90. That is, if sine that number is equals to cos the other number. That is this formula. We can say sine 10 degrees. Here, what is sine 10 degrees back there as you watch? Sine 10 degrees is the same as cos 80 degrees. Why? Because 10 plus 80 is equals to 10 plus 80 is equals to 90 degrees. We can have another one, sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equals to what? Cos. You'll take 90 minus 30, you'll get cos 60 degrees. You can prove all this using a calculator and say that sine 30 degrees is equals to cos 60 degrees, sine 10 degrees is cos 80 degrees, sine 45 degrees is equals to cos 45 degrees, sine 70 degrees is equals to cos 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees is equals to cos 50 degrees. My dear student, we're going to get to an example on that concept. And our example is solve for theta, given that theta is an acute angle, and sine into bracket 3 theta minus 50 degrees, then close the bracket, minus cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees is equals to 0. My dear students, we get to the solution of that question. Now, when you look at this, sine 3 theta minus 50 degrees, cross the bracket, minus cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees is equals to 0. The first thing, my dear student, is to take this negative cos 2 theta plus 10 to the other side. So we have sine 3 theta minus 50 degrees minus cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees is equals to 0. You'll take this negative cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees, take it to the other side. When you take it to the other side, it was negative, now it will be positive. So you'll have your equation as sine 3 theta minus 50 degrees is equals to positive cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees. Now we have sine 3 theta minus 50 degrees is equals to cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees, my dear students. Now, in this particular concept, that is when you apply this formula. Given that sine theta is equals to cos alpha, then theta plus alpha is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, given that sine 3 theta minus 50 degrees is equals to cos 2 theta plus 10 degrees, then that means this number that is very close to the sine, that is 3 theta minus 50 degrees, when you add to the number that is close to the cos, that is 2 theta plus 10 degrees, you should get 90 degrees. Which concept have we used here? Sin theta is equals to cos alpha, theta, which is the number or the term that is close to the sine, plus alpha, which is the term that is close to the cos. When you add them, you should get 90. 3 theta minus 50 is the term that is close to sine, plus 2 theta plus 10 is the term that is close to cos. When you add them, it should give you 90 degrees. So from there, my dear student, it is easy to get the solution. Open the bracket, so we'll have 3 theta minus 50 plus 2 theta plus 10 is equals to 90 degrees. So, like terms together, 3 theta plus 2 theta, that is 3 theta plus 2 theta minus 50 plus 10 is equals to 90 degrees. So 3 theta plus 2 theta, you'll get 5 theta. Minus 50 plus 10 is minus 40 is equal to 90 degrees. You take the negative 40 to the other side, it will be positive, and we'll have our 5 theta is equals to 90 degrees plus 40 degrees. My dear students, I believe that up to there you have understood. As we continue. Now, you have 5 theta is equals to 90 degrees plus 40 degrees. 90 degrees plus 40 degrees. My dear students, 90 plus 40 is 130. So we'll have 5 theta is equals to 130 degrees. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. And therefore, my dear student, our theta will be 130 degrees divided by 5, which is 26 degrees, which is 26 degrees. And that is the answer for example 1 of our question. Now we'll get to the second example, my dear student. For you to understand better, I know that now that you've done the first example, the second example will be very easy for you. Find the acute angle. The question is find the acute angle. Find the acute angle. Find the acute angle y if sine 4y is equals to cos 2y, hence find tan into bracket y plus 10 degrees. That is our question. That is our question. Solution. In this particular case, my dear student, we have been told that sin 4y is equals to cos 2y. Considering our concept that we said, Given that sine theta is equals to cos alpha, then theta plus alpha is equals to 90 degrees. Then here we are given sine 4y is equals to cos 2y, which means 4y, that is the term that is close to sine, 4y, the term that is close to sine, plus 2y, the term that is close to cos, will give us 90 degrees. The sum of 4y and 2y is equals to 90 degrees. 4y plus 2y is 6y. 6y is equals to 90 degrees. So 6y is equals to 90 degrees. Divide both sides by 6 by 6. You'll get your y is equals to 15 degrees. That is the value of y. My dear student, you have been told, hence find tan y plus 10 degrees. So now you'll come and say tan y plus 10 degrees will be tan 15 plus 10 degrees. Therefore, our question will be as tan 25 degrees. Using your calculator, you can get tan 25 degrees. Let me use my calculator. Tan 25 degrees is tan 25 degrees is negative 0.1335 to 4 significant figures. That will be the solution for that particular question. Now, my question for you is this. Do this question on your own. Given that sine 2 theta minus 40 degrees minus cos theta plus 10 degrees is equals to 0. Given that sine 2 theta minus 40 minus cos theta plus 10 is equals to 0, find theta and hence tan theta plus 20 degrees. Find theta and hence tan theta plus 20 degrees. That is the question that you're going to do from that first concept of trigonometry 1. In our next video, my dear students, we are going to do the next concepts of trigonometry 1, where we'll be required to come up with a right-angled triangle for us to use SOHCAHTOA and solve the question that will be given. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post videos on mathematics. So I'm soon going to upload a video on still trigonometry 1 continuation, where we'll do the next concept. My dear students, I'm also an author. I've written Boosting Mathematics Performance Mathematics Revision book. Boosting Mathematics Performance KCSA Mathematics Revision book. My dear student, this is a very important book that will assist you achieve the best in KCSA performance in mathematics. It contains 4 sections: Paper 1, Section 1 and Section 2, and Paper 2, Section 1 and Section 2, with formulas, methods, worked out questions, and questions for you to do them personally. And at the end of it all, once you do those questions, you will be in a position to achieve the best. My name is Teacher Kelvin Fudi Wanyabura. We'll meet in the next lesson. Thank you.